I recently saw a patient in dermatology who could only speak Mandarin, and so I thought to myself, how hard could it be to converse with her without an interpreter? I grew up speaking Mandarin Chinese at home, and it's my mother tongue, but actually it turns out harder than I thought, especially when I was trying to use medical terms when communicating with her. And so I went down a rabbit hole after clinic, translating some of the commonly used dermatology terms that we see in clinic. Let's get to it. In English, this is called psoriasis, but in Mandarin, this is called 牛皮癣, which also means cowhide ringworm. This is eczema, but in Mandarin Chinese, it's called 湿疹, which means wet rash. In English, this is called scabies, but in Mandarin, this is called 疥. In English, for anything that is cancerous, we call this a skin cancer, but in Mandarin Chinese, we call this 皮肤癌. This is called rosacea. In Mandarin, this is called 红斑痤疮, also known as red spotty acne. Remember to apply your sunscreen. In Mandarin, this is called 防晒油 or sun protection oil. Steroid cream, which we all have a love and hate relationship with. In Mandarin, this is called 类固醇霜. We love a good moisturizer. In Mandarin, this is 保湿霜. Let's talk about some medications specifically to treat eczema and psoriasis. Methotrexate. In Mandarin, we call this as 雅安蝶令. Ustekinumab. In Mandarin, we call this as 五丝奴单抗. Dupilumab, which is used to treat eczema. In Mandarin, we call this as 杜皮鲁单抗. Adalimumab, 阿达木单抗. Baricitinib, 巴瑞克提尼. And finally, abrocitinib, 阿布西替尼. How cool is that?